a visual for the TV for using Photoshop, but a lot of students can ask, Miss, is it any other alternative way for us to try to get and create anything? Because the photos that you mentioned could be encounter some copyright issues. Right? So you could try to use the AI features or AI tools to help you. Here I put this AI tool over here. You can see right now I already can update the Studio TV role, right, which I use the Canva. Still remember Canva? I show you how to use Canva to create a talking presentation, right? And this you shall try to use Canva to create the TV wall graphic design tool. This is the one that I created, okay. And I put it up onto TV wall just like this. Okay. Let's see how we can start. Could you please click on this camera? Yes. Yeah. Could you please click on it? Once you have clicked on it, okay. Let me see. I have to make sure the networks is really assessing. Yeah. Able to work. Right? Okay. Okay. Once you click on this, it shall be able to navigate you to Canva. Last week, I think most of students will face problems saying that means I forgot to bring my own photos. Right? Over here, this AI software enable you to try to create the image for a TV wall. Okay. Could you please try to click on create? Yes. Some people gonna ask me, how am I going to can create either one? Okay. The presentation is 1619 or whatever poster or whatever. Could you please try to go scroll down? Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Then just go and click on this free online AI image generator. No need to pay. Yeah. What I need you to do is just try to register. Yeah. Register. Then you can go and use it. No need to pay. Click on it, then you shall navigate to some things like this. Right? Okay. So this will be that they're gonna ask you or use the existing one or use in the new design. Okay. So click on new design, then they ask you what size or whatever you want. Could you please try to click on custom size? Click on custom size the bit over here, yeah, because this is the camera, right? Could you please try to type 8000 height then followed by 1000? The width is 8000 followed by 1000 height. Then just try to click on create a new design. Yes, create a new design. Some students can ask me, Miss, is it this is some things that I need to fix or not really? It could be just as far as your width is around 6 times, then the height will do. Okay. No thanks. I'm not going to open in Canva apps, right? Okay, so the first thing you have a background. Okay, click on this, then click on the background color, the color palette over here, choose whatever colors that you like. Maybe I choose this color, okay, this is the background colors that I like. Okay, so let's talk about dogs. A lot of students like dogs, right? Okay, could you please go over here? Can you see there is something called Magic Media? Click on Magic Media. This is the words that you try to type in, yes, to see what kind of image that they generate for you. Let's say I'm talking about dots. Okay. Yeah. Dogs, which I am going to use the phlegmic effects. Okay. So happy dog. Okay. Happy dog. Then click on this. I generate the image. Yes. So you might say, Miss, is it take long? It all depends on the bandwidth. K. If your internet is fast, then it could be fast. Okay. Because it's online version. Right? This could be the dots. Okay. Some things like this. Which one you like? Okay. Could be this one that I'm going to use. But before I put the dots over here, then I need to create an element. What kind of framing that I want? I go to this element, look for arrow. Okay, this could be the frame that I want to contract my photo in. Okay, so when I have this frame, then this is the photos that I am ready to generate, right? I just drag and drop over there. Yeah, drag and drop. Okay, so you see you can go make it big or small size. Okay, it's all up to you what kind of elements that you want. Some students say, Miss, can I have other elements, some things like I have the color frame in between, can just drag it. And then some students say, Miss, I want to have some things like this. You can drag. Okay. And Miss, I want to have some things like this. You just drag. Drag whatever based on your preferences. Okay. Drag it in and then you have to make sure all these come together with the yes. Come together with the photos. Right? Then you go to this magic media. Okay. Right now, you have the happy dog. Then you have the lazy dog. Aha. Yeah. You just need to explain in text. Could be very long sentence, it could be a few words. The AI is going to transform those image from for you, which could be you wouldn't be able to can imagine, right? Okay. So the AI will try to can have it for you. Okay. This could be the one that I drop it here. Okay. Just drop inside. Okay. Then, it could be something like you say, Miss, I want a running dot. K, running. Okay. Can running dot. Okay. You see the styles that I fixed is the flamed. Okay. So you can go and have any others like watercolor, then you generate watercolors. It all depends on you what kind of style of the image that you want. Okay. This is the different style, right? Because I choose different style. This is the watercolor style. Okay. So some of you say, Miss, very good. I choose this watercolor style over here. Okay. Then some students say, Emmys, I choose the dreamy style. Okay. Then you could have jumping top. Okay. So they would generate based on the style that you want, based on whatever that you want. Okay. So this is how you can make it fast without really think about the copyright issues or whatever, it's not belongs to me. This could be the docs that I want. Okay. So I just drag it there, but some students can ask me, Miss, how am I going to make sure this dog that I am going to have over here generate over here can really fit into the TV wall, because TV wall could be very big, right? You can see our TV wall. Okay. It could be very big, right? Okay. Our TV wall. Look at how big is our TV wall, right? Now how big is TV wall? So you might asking, please, the TV wall over here. Okay. So can we make sure the images that we use is really sharp like this? Can you see sharp? Sharp. We don't want to conserve the blur images. Right? Okay. Good. So what I need you to do is, could you please try to this one angry dog, so angry. Okay, so I also can go and drag it and make it bigger size or whatever. Okay, bigger size. Okay. So some students say, Miss, how am I going to make sure the image turn out to be very sharp? Okay. Could you please go and type over here? Aha. Click on image, upscale it. Upscaler. Okay. If you wouldn't be able to search over here, could you please can click on apps and then you type image upscaler? Can you see? Image upscaler, then it shall be able to show you. Click on this icon, then you click on the photos that you want to enhance. Right now you upscale the amount double OK to make it sharper. Just click on upscale, then it shall be able to try to contain the blur image to be sharp image based on the parameter that you choose. Okay? This one before, this one after. Look at it. Some students are gonna ask me, Miss, I don't want to have the background. Can I remove the background? Can student, could you please make sure you click on edit photo? Okay. Once I change the image upscaler, right, I just replace. It shall automatically update. Can you see? Successfully replace the image in design. Okay. So right now we need to learn how to remove the background. Click on this. Could you please click on edit photo here? Then it shall be able to see that it's BG removal, that means background removal. So I click on it, it automatically will try to remove the background for me. Aha. Yeah, see, it removed the background for me. So I click again, then I click on this remove the background. They will automatically remove the background for me. Aha! This is what the Magic Studio can delete for you. Okay. So some of students by saying miss on top of remove the background, adjust the resolution or whatever. Okay. So can I ask giving this framing, okay, the frame? Can I see any other element? You can go and choose whatever elements over here based on the shapes, based on the framing, based on the charts, even though based on graphics, this all could be found here. Or some students say miss, I would like to have some things like this thing, okay, so they send me, can I select? You can go and put here, just click select and put here select and put here can select as far as it matches with the overall mood and feel that you want. Okay? Then some students are gonna say miss, right now I need to go and click on the text. Okay, can you see there is text? Click on this, you shall be able to choose whatever the parameters could be found over here, okay, or you just go and type the heading or whatever, okay, so I choose one over here, maybe this, okay, so I put here, okay, this one I make it smaller, okay, maybe here, then I put, okay, this one I make it like a dog, okay, this one I make it like a tail. Dog story, right? Okay, so everything done, aha, then you shall be able to can see. Go here, go to share. Under the share, could you see there is something called download, right? Okay, click on download. This is some things that I use. Could you see there is the crowd over here? Crowd refers to pro subscriber, okay? If you already subscribed, that means it's free for you, okay? Then if you never subscribed, then you might need to pay money for using some of the designs over here, which they have the crowd, okay, the crowd indicates the pro subscribers, yeah, okay, so over here they're asking you what is the type, as I mentioned, so TV wall can support PNG and also JPEG. I want you can have JPEG file, so JPEG right now initially I put it 8000s to 1000. Right? Okay. So I think maybe the quality over here. Can you see the quality? Could you go and make it to 100? Okay. The largest the quality, the better the visuals that is going to consume. Okay. So you just gonna click on download. It's like this. Okay. Just exactly as what I have created. Okay. So you shall be able to consider this AI image generator when you go and create your TV wall. You have all the templates, options, and the free copyright photos, and they also can go generate all these photos based on your descriptions in your